Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to let kids use only one app on your iPhone. So whether your kids want to watch videos, play a game or use a learning app, you may not want them to open any other app on your iPhone. And that's why you can use Apple's built-in guided access feature and lock any app on your iPhone. In this case, the kid cannot able to exit the app. So to enable this, first open Settings app. Now scroll down and click on Accessibility option and then scroll down to bottom and click on Guided Access. Now turn on the toggle right to guided access option, and once you enable this option, just click on passcode settings. Now turn on the toggle right to Face ID, so you can use Face ID to end guided access, and you also need to set a different passcode for guided access, and don't share this password with your kids. So click on this option, set a new passcode, and after this just open any app like YouTube or any study app. Now triple press the power button, then select guided access option, and that's it. Guided access is started. You may also need to click on a start button at top right corner. So now you can hand over your iPhone to your kids, and whenever you want to exit this feature, you just need to triple press your power button and then verify with your Face ID or the passcode, and here click on the end button at top left corner of the screen. And that's it. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.